Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to tint your Tesla Model 3 rear window. First, gather your essential tools, including your chosen tint film, a reliable heat gun, and various squeegees. Next, meticulously clean the entire rear window surface, ensuring no dirt or debris remains. Finally, accurately measure the window's dimensions to cut your tint film precisely, minimizing waste and ensuring a perfect fit. Now, let's apply the film. Begin by pre-shrinking the tint film directly on the exterior of your Tesla's rear window to perfectly match its unique curvature. Then, generously spray the interior window surface with a slip solution. This allows for easy positioning. Carefully peel the liner and apply the film to the wet window, ensuring it aligns correctly and covers the entire glass. With the film in place, it's time to refine. Using your squeegee, systematically push out all the water and air bubbles from under the film, working from the center outwards. Next, carefully trim any excess film precisely around the window's edges for a clean, factory-like finish. Finally, use a heat gun to gently cure the film, removing any remaining moisture and ensuring a strong bond. For the best results, allow your newly tinted window to cure completely for at least 3 days. During this time, avoid rolling down the windows to ensure the adhesive sets properly. After curing, inspect the tint for any minor imperfections and gently address them if needed. For more great tips and to truly change how you think about money, check the description for a link to an amazing book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.